Hey there planner friends, this is Amy and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my February Jeans Agenda subscription box. If you're new to my channel, so happy to have you here. This is Beloved Plans and this channel is for anyone who is looking to get more organized in their finances, productivity, business, and day-to-day life. So let's get started. Before we dive into the box, I wanted to show you guys a really cool product that I recently got. So it's from a company called Lots of Style, and they make these awesome like little trash cans and just little like craft organizers. And they sent me this fantastic little white plastic organizer for pens or whatever you want it to be used for. Probably gonna put like vinyl design or stickers or something on the back here, but I love the idea of just decorating it and making it all super cute. For now, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use these 3 spots for my brush pens, and then I'm going to put some other things that I grab for on a pretty regular basis in these front spots. When I organize my pens and such, I like, as you can see here, I like to put them in rainbow order. If you guys are familiar with the Home Edit, that is how they store things, and it makes it really easy to find things you're looking for. So I'm going to start out by grabbing all of the reds and the pinks, and I'm going to put them in each section. All right, there we go. So I've got all those in there. And then I always like to have my like Tombow adhesive runner handy. So I'm gonna put that in here as well, with my, in addition to my little whiteout runners that I have. I'm gonna put both of those in there. I love keeping these little post-it notes handy that I've gotten from my various subscription boxes. So I think those will actually fit really well in this front part. Yes, so there we have it. As you can see, I've got my brush pens, I've got my tape runner, my adhesive runner, and then some post-it notes there, and that just fits perfectly. So if you guys want to check out their products, I actually have a special code for all of my followers and viewers, and that code is beloved30. Beloved is all uppercase. So I will post that as well as a link to where you can get their product on Amazon down in the description below, and you guys can go check it out. And also be sure to check out the other awesome products that they have. They're really, really fun, and they're really affordable too, which makes them even better. All right, so let's get diving into our February box. I have not opened this yet, so the first time you see it will be the first time I see it too. Cut this, because it's always oh my gosh, look how pretty that is, their tissue. That's the thing about these boxes that they have is like, I always reuse these boxes. We used them a ton at Christmas time. And then their tissue in here is always so beautiful, and I reuse it all the time. So let's pull out this whole insert and see what awaits us. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited, you guys. All right, so there's always a card in each box that tells you what everything is. So this is February's box, and it also doubles as a quote card, which as you can see is so stinking cute. And clearly it's a Valentine's or love theme happening this month. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out this tissue so I can save it. All right, so let's dive in. So this is a rose quartz pendant. It is so beautiful. I remember seeing the teasers for these on their Instagram and stuff, and I could not wait to see what it looked like. So that is gorgeous, and how fun that you get non-planner things as well. We have a really cute pen clip here, so it's actually really nice and big, and it's like a magenta color. And then here, February's Heart Disease Awareness Month, so this is a clip that is in the shape of a heart, and it has like a little diagram on here too to show you like the different parts of your heart. All right, and then next up we have a zip up accessories and pen bag. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? I love that. So it's a zipper bag, and inside you can fit pens and different accessories. So maybe all the clips, maybe you want to take certain pens and just leave them in your car or something. This is perfect for that. So I absolutely love that. All right, next up we have a daily affirmations divider. I love these. I use them all the time in just my different planners so I can quickly flip to things. Love that this has a daily affirmations on it. They have a cute quote card, La Vie en Rose. That's so cute. I usually tape these to like my dashboards just for whatever month we're in, and it adds a little fun and color to them. Okay, this is a wallet card called Money. It says Money Loves Me on there. So this is a newer thing. So it's like a little laminated card. So that's kind of cute. You can pop it in your wallet and have it there to just inspire you. All right, next up we have, oh, these are nice. Okay, so this is a daily half page. They're what they call tip-ins. So here it's like an hourly list. So if you have like a really busy day and you want to time block, or maybe you just want to like time block in general, I could see me doing one for each day of the week, since each day can be a little bit different for me, and then having that to reference. And then on the back is a checklist along with some dot grid. So if like you're not having time to do your whole planner spread, I can see these being really, really handy to use in the meantime, just as like a little daily sheet. Next up, we have another one of these half pages. It's a notes and dot grid. So we've got a big, nice long checklist here. This could be like a running master list. Love that. Love how simple and versatile it is. And then a dot grid on the back as well. So if you needed to doodle things or just wanted to cover it with stickers, you could do that too. So cute. These are going to be really, really functional. And every month they have different stuff in here, which I love so much. Okay, next up we have a vellum quote page for layering and a set of 2 decorative cardstock dashboards. Cut these and take them out. What I also really love is if you go on their website, they have different computer and phone backgrounds that you can change up every month, and they always coordinate with the box. So I've been using those on my phone, and they're so pretty, and I love how they can change up every month. So this says, hey babe, the sun does not apologize for being too bright, and the rain never says sorry for falling. It's about the balance. So this is a vellum, and you could overlay this on any of the dashboards or anything in your planner. As you can see here, we have got a two-sided, that's the one side, this is the other. So that overlay on there is beautiful. And then if we wanted to overlay it onto this one, that's really cute too. And the back side of this has the same pattern. So love, love, love that. All right, and then last we have a weekly self-care log. So I'm excited to see what is in this. So I could see this going into my wellness section planner. So it looks like you put the month down here. Oh, this is really cool. Okay, and it's undated, which is nice. So you can start using it at any time. So you put the week up here, meal planning here, active here, heart. This could be used for gratitude. This could be used for, keeping track of like your stats or your heart rate or how many calories you burned. It could also just be to note like any self-care things you've done. And so then we've got Monday through Thursday, Friday to Sunday, and then healthy habits over here. I really like this. I might try using this instead of the Happy Planner one I've been using, because that one just has like too many sections. I really like the simplicity of this. I don't necessarily track my meals, so I'm not I could change up how I use this, but this be active and the gratitude, I really like those. So this is just a whole packet of those. It looks like 3 months worth, and again, they're undated, so you can use them however you want. Oh, and look, fronts have different sketches on them. So pretty. Love that so much. All right, well, there we have it, you guys. It's our February Jane's Agenda subscription box. If you have not checked out their subscription box, I believe it is now open for the box that will come at the end of February, the March box. And if you want to shop through the link below, you will save 15%. And let me know if you guys have any questions, or if you've been getting the box, what you think of it. If there's any other subscription box that you get that I would love to know about. I love a great subscription box. So don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. Click that subscribe button if you are new here. And if you guys want to check out last month's subscription box, I will go ahead and link that video over to the right now, and I will see you guys over there.